What is a virtual summit? A virtual summit is an online conference that has a series of experts on a particular niche. That is what we call a virtual summit. These experts are curated and invited to participate. The interviews are conducted either by you or a representative of your company. Each one of these experts has a particular topic that you will be interviewing them on. These interviews are then put together and presented over 2, 3, or 4 days. Presented to whom? You invite your clients, prospects, your connection base, and your potential subscriber base to come in, register, participate, and to spread the word. Now, such virtual summits are generally free to attend during the duration of the online summit, after which there generally is a small fee to pay for lifetime access. Virtual summits, you'll say, isn't there a slew of such summits hitting in these times? Yes, some are very well made, some are there for the sake of it, but you need to appreciate that each one is taking the first step to go ahead, present knowledge, present credibility, present know-how to address that particular client need. Check out globalreferralsummit.com or Online Diversity Summit as successful examples of summits. A virtual summit is necessary in these times, and it is going to continue all through. If you would like to know more about virtual summits, what are they, how to host, follow my videos or write to me. Thank you very much. I'm Praveen Shekhar, an outlier marketer.